Good morning, guys. So this is my Lego room. It's not yet fully completed and I still have things to bring here because not all my stuff is here. It's quite a lot of stuff, but unfortunately I have more. So my apologies for the mess. I'm still unpacking and well, I don't have a lamp in place yet. What I have is a Philips Hue light bulb, so it's not very bright, but I can control its brightness and color however I like. And speaking of not being very bright, here's Muffin the pug in her workplace, so to say. Yeah. She's very eager to work on some new models. Right, Muffin? Right. Alright, so essentially this is my photo video table. Currently with the Rivendell set on it. It's a pretty cool set. Let's see it in detail. So the review is... Right, Muffin? Yep. We are working on the review right now. It has taken me almost 10 hours to build this thing, so it's a pretty amazing set, and the review is coming soon. And yeah, so we've got some Lego boxes. Lego boxes, my primary working place, because I mainly work from home, and I've got some little gaming corner right here. So that's yeah, that's some gaming stuff. So I'm working very hard here and I'm totally not playing games. Oh, come on, guys, seriously. So we got some more boxes. We have a temporary hamster cage, which I'm going to replace with a huge aquarium where I'm going to build a hamster habitat. A huge one. I just need to make room for it, and within a couple of days it should be ready. I've got some backdrops and yeah, treadwheel, more Lego stuff and so on. There's my AT-AT, which was pretty tricky to bring here, probably the most challenging Lego set to transport. The designer has definitely not been thinking about people moving when he made this amazing set. That's my Barracuda ship, which I have to put together because the box it was in has been turned upside down, unfortunately. We've got some more Lego stuff here, and yeah, so over there you've got some train stuff, and right over there the big UCS Star Destroyer set, and I've had it for about 2, maybe 3 years, and I haven't opened it yet because I was waiting to do this in my Lego room. And I'm not planning on reviewing it because there's plenty of reviews of it already. I'm just planning to open it and enjoy building it and then displaying it, although this is probably going to call for a larger table. So my plan is to next buy a table that's like half a meter wider, and this is also going to mean that I have to get wider backdrops. So this is about 1 meter 20 centimeters, and I want to go to 2 meters wide because there should be enough room here, and that would eliminate my constant problems with framing, because you know with big sets it's quite a challenge to yeah, to make them fit on screen but without the edges of the backdrop showing. So yeah, Muffin, we are almost done here. I haven't really made any progress on my models this month. In fact, I have damaged some of them during moving, so I have to fix them, but there is one definite progress here, which is the Tron bike prototype anyway. So it can drive, it can steer, and I'm talking to my friend Rob from brickstuff.com about the possibility of putting some lighting inside this. Although that probably is going to mean that we have to make them blue instead of orange, but we'll see. It's a work in progress. So thank you guys, see you next month, hopefully with more content and less mess.